So David, I was thinking, you were thinking, what are we thinking? This side is going to probably come up a bit and slope to the down to our right. The camera's left. Yeah. So this side will probably stay the same height, but we're going to build this up a little bit.
Yeah.
Probably pop this snap edge out so we can lift it up.
Back the 8 feet.
Yeah.
Raise it up a bit.
Raise the gravel up here. Sounds like a plan. So I'll start scraping this out.
Yeah.
And then pull this one out while you guys finish taking this stuff out.
Lift up the rest of
We
that.
can get our gravel grade in. Super tight.
Quite nice.
There we go. So I'm just cleaning up these piles, scraping, if you can see, scraping all this out while they're finishing cleaning that up, so that we can put some gravel down, get a good grade and slope across the walkway. Cleaning back, you can come over this way, see the snap edge. This holds the interlock in. Just trying to make it nice and clean, ready to regrade and put everything back in. Come look at this. This is like a decently full wheelbarrow. It is not over full by any means, but you need a full wheelbarrow this full. Otherwise you're gonna be making a lot more trips. We probably need to make 3 trips with this guy, 3 of these in there. If you do it any less full, you're gonna be making so many more, because I don't know what it is about a wheelbarrow. When it looks kind of full, it's not nearly as full. Is it, David?
It's not nearly as full.
Not nearly as full. This guy, he's full. He's not super full. Definitely fit a little more, but good enough. And not that heavy. We're just putting this gravel in because there was a big puddle here. So we're raising this up. You don't want to raise it up with stone dust or sand or anything stupid. You want to use good, hard gravel. So, checking that level. Hey, I got a tape on me. David?
That's nice.
Would you like to see me measure?
Yeah.
Yay! We make learning fun. Just under 8 inches. Which means with a 2 3/8 inch cap, block, 5.5 inches there. What do you think about that? We do want a fair slope off to this side here. We've calculated. We want to make a 5.5 inch step here that drops to 6 inches there. Normally we do, that's a 1/2 inch of slope over 4 feet. Normally we do 1/4 of an inch, but we want to have a nice slope away so there's good drainage to the side.
Right now I am just leveling this stone dust, and I'm making sure that the pavers will match the driveway so there's no tripping hazard in the lip.
So we're about to, we just rated our gravel over top of our walkway here. So we have it sloping in all the directions that we want to go. So next step is to take our plate compactor and compact down the gravel. We're going to run over it a few times just to make sure it's really solid and compact it down before we add our bedding layer on top.